Welcome. Today we will learn about how we can save the desktop or screen in Windows operating system in an image file format. There are multiple ways that can be used to save the or take the screenshot of the desktop or any working area in Windows operating system. The oldest or currently are also used by multiple users to save the screenshot of the desktop or Windows area is called print screen button. This is the method by which we press print screen button and Windows operating system take the screenshot of entire screen and put it onto the clipboard. After this operation or pressing this button, we can paste this image that is placed on the clipboard by Windows operating system in MS Paint or any other image editor software. This is called the shortcut key or control key method to take the screenshot of the Windows or desktop area. But today we will discuss how we can capture Windows desktop screen or different shapes of the desktop screen or the current Windows screen area, entire screen area in Windows 10. However, there are multiple laptops or keyboards, minimal keyboards that are available with minimal options and have not option of print screen button. In such situation, we can use Windows snipping toolbar. That is, here we have to show that Windows snipping toolbar can also be used to capture the desktop screen area or Windows area. Just we have to press Windows button and type here snipping tool. The snipping tool will be loaded. Okay, let's try this. We have to press Windows button and just type snipping tool. This is the snipping tool that can be used to capture the Windows desktop screens. We have to just understand the options available in Windows snipping tool. First of all, I will try to get the screen area or screenshot of the desktop screen. This is called custom mode by which we can take the snapshot of the selected objects on the screen. We can also change the mode of the snipping tool using the rectangular snipping or Windows snipping mode. Now I am using rectangular snipping by which whenever we will click on new, the desktop screen will be blurred and we can select the screen area to whom we want to capture. Here we can see that after capturing the Windows screen or desktop area, snipping tool enable us to write some information on it or draw some object or highlight some kind of objects on the captured screen. Here are multiple tools such as pen and brush are available. We can also erase these drawing material from the captured screen area. Now we will discuss how we can capture custom screen in the Windows 10. We have here modes by which we can take the custom screens using Windows snipping tools. Here is the mode of capturing Windows screens. There is the new button by which clicking we can take the screenshot of the Windows area. And here is also an important option that is called delay option. Whenever we will try to capture the new screen, we just want to take the 2 or 3 seconds before capturing the screen so that we can put here delay option or use delay option for this purpose. The entire desktop or Windows screen area captured will be available here for edit mode. This is the screen area that we have captured. Okay, now I am going to capture the free form snipping. Just select here mode free form snipping and click on new. Now we can capture the free form image from the desktop area. We can see here. This is called free form snipping. We can also snip windows Let's suppose I have opened a notepad. Notepad can also be snipped with the help of rectangular snipping. Just we have to click on new button and we can capture here notepad window. Here we can see that some image boundaries are automatically padded without our interest. For this limitation to overcome, we can select here Windows snipping mode. When we click on new, this will highlight different multiple windows available onto the screen. Just we have to click on the windows that we want to snip. This is the Windows snipping captured area. This is another feature of the snipping tool, that whenever we capture the windows or rectangular shapes from the desktop or windows, we can also put it onto the paint application. The reason behind is that whenever snipping tool capture or create an image from the desktop or windows area, it put the entire image on the clipboard so that any other image editor can also get image from the clipboard for further editing. After capturing the screen, the last thing we have to do is to press the save button. Here a floppy toolbar button is available on the snipping tool. We have to just press the save button and we can set here the destination folder. I am selecting the desktop. The default name is displaying here, that is capture, and the file format is also displaying here. We have multiple options. This is the save as dialog, where we can set the file name and destination folder as here mentioned. The default format for the save of image file from the snipping tool is JPEG. We can also change here as a PNG or BMP file formats. Okay, let's check which formats are available. MHT, JPEG, GIF and PNG is available. By default JPEG is commonly used. We can change here name and just press on save button. We can see here the image file is created successfully. This is the interesting tool that can be used for our demonstrations, that can be used for preparing presentations or discussing different objects of the Windows, so we can easily snip different screenshots that are currently browsing or viewing in different editors or players. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch. Next we will discuss many other features of the Windows operating system.